was sober. Is it true that you love me? I dare you to kiss me with everyone watching. It's true, you're there on the dance floor. La 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 la. You're there on the dance floor. La 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 la. I dare you. Lego. Of all the millions on the planet, you're the one who's keeping me on it. I know I like you like nobody's business. Your blue Spanish eyes are my witness. It's just the nature of the game. Get ready, we'll do it again. Let's not recover from the hangover. When your eyes got me drunk, I was sober. Is it true that you love me? I dare you to kiss me with everyone watching. It's true, we're here on the dance floor. La 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 la. We're here on the dance floor. La 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 I dare you. Is it true that you love me? I dare you to kiss me. I dare you to touch me. It's true, we're there on the dance floor, dance floor, dance floor, dance, 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 I dare you. Lego, Lego, Lego.
And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray, and adjacent to me in the commentary box is Stuart Robson. And with kick-off just moments away, we really should be in for a magnificent occasion. It's Portugal up against Portugal.
Well, this should be interesting today. I like the makeup of both teams. They really do have a good balance of attacking and defensive qualities. But the team that has the greater desire will probably come out on top.
And a solid clearance. Cristiano Ronaldo. Alex Baena. Intelligent defending. Alex Baena. Free kick, it had to be. And that is a free kick artist at work. What a goal it was! So the ball is moving again. Will there be a quick response from Portugal here? There needs to be. Serge Gnabry. Now running it back. Now doesn't get away with it. Free kick given. Serge Gnabry. Well positioned to clear. Chances on. Chance still there. Really high, touched onto the woodwork. Serge Gnabry. Kone. High quality defending. Baena. Mbappe. Cristiano Ronaldo. And a tidy challenge. Alex Baena. Steven Gerrard. So 2 minutes to be added on at the end. Cristiano Ronaldo. That is that for the first half here.
What? Bro.
Underway once more. It's advantage Portugal after the first 45, but plenty of time for a few twists and turns before this one is over. Ronaldo. Given away by Ronaldo. Well, he's certainly not alone. Corner it is, and an opportunity for Portugal to make it look even better. Not ideal, losing it there. Xabi Alonso. Lucas Paqueta. And Portugal struggling to keep it. Well, taking on that shot and not missing by much.
Well, that would have been an excellent goal, but it means everything is still up for grabs here.
Gerrard. Mbappe. And a glorious chance. "20 minutes to go. Gerrard. Kone. The ball with Rodri. It's got to be! And a goal! They've increased their lead, and they don't want to be throwing it away from here. They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench. So 2-0 now. So on the cusp of the final whistle, and the visitors very much in command, Stuart.
Yeah, this has been a good performance. They've looked really sharp going forward, and they've shown a lot of energy. They'll certainly be pleased with their overall display up to now.
And the final whistle here, a real sense of feel-good in the Portuguese camp on the back of this victory, Stuart.
Well, fairly comfortable in the end, wasn't it? Thought they controlled the middle of the park well. Going forward, there was some really nice incisive play too. It's a good result for them.
is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player, Stuart Robson. And with the game just moments away now, this really ought to be a superb watch. It's Portugal versus Argentina.
As is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Holland. Can they do it? Oh, must be. Wasted chance. Easy for the goalkeeper. Intelligent defending. Stoichkov. Not away completely. Kylian Mbappe. The timely intervention. Stoichkov. And it's with Hristo Stoichkov. Can he put them in front? Well, it was straight at the keeper, but technically good goalkeeping. Mbappe. Just cutting off the supply. Well, they've given him too much space. Can he play it in? And an astute piece of defending. And the throw in for Argentina. Oh, a really untidy loss of possession. Mbappe. Baena. Mbappe with it. Big chance. And there it is. 1-0. Their efforts have been rewarded. And look at the celebrations.
Well, just look at his strength here. He holds off the challenge, he keeps his balance, and he finds the back of the net. It's a wonderful goal.
And back underway. 1-0 it is. Best. Count. And Best has it. Promising sequence. The right place to cut out the pass. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. Away they go again. Second half is underway here. Stoichkov. Well, passing moves like this will keep confidence levels up. Well, that is how to nullify the opposition. Teammates available. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Baena. Gerrard. Alex Baena. And the ball with Gerrard. And he read it well, intercepting it. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. This could be the equaliser. Now they can reorganise. Dumfries. Stoichkov. Rodri. Kylian Mbappe. Oh, great play. Almada. Opportunity it is. Straight offside, but only just. Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. And intercepted by Nesta.
Well, not much time left now, and these supporters are doing everything they can to get their team over the finish line. What an atmosphere.
Well, on the attack, hunting for a late equaliser here. Best! Oh, capable of so much better, to be honest.
Well, I expected more as well, Derek. I thought from that sort of position, he had every chance of scoring, but it's a poor effort.
Well, the stoppage time situation, 1 minute here. And the final whistle here, a real sense of feel-good in the Portuguese camp on the back of this victory, Stuart.
It was very competitive. Chances at both ends, but I feel they were the better team, and they deserved their victory.
And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. I'm Derek Ray, and I'm joined here on the gantry for commentary by Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start with justifiable cause. It's Portugal up against Portugal.
Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
Kylian Mbappe. And Portugal moving the ball with purpose. But it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. Oh, a superb save. Alex Baena. Smart defending. And in with a real chance. Oh, still not away. Cleared away. And in the right position to read it. It's going to be a throw-in for Portugal here. Pedri. Alex Baena. Keeping it on the ground. Slightly off target, however. Marcelo. And support available. I think they were expecting a bit more from that attack. Tagliafico. Rodri. Mbappe with it. Mbappe. Can he finish this? Oh, it still needs clearing. Well, the chance looked to be on, but found himself offside. Ronaldo. Meunier. And Meunier's lost the ball here. Tagliafico. Alex Baena. Mbappe with it. Kylian Mbappe. And the ball with Gerrard. And the referee is going to add on 4 added minutes. Gakpo. Real chance. Omar Alderete. So the whistle then, we're at the halfway stage in this match. So the two teams have switched around and the second half is underway. Gakpo. Can they prize them open now? Or can they make one of these passes count? Could go ahead! And a goal! Now they've broken through! 1-0 here!
Well, here it is again, and it was never really in doubt, was it? He was always going to score from there.
So on with the match, and that goal has given the game a decidedly different feel. Alex Baena. It's a promising move from Portugal, but they dealt with the threat posed. Well, Portugal with the ball again. So half an hour remaining. Mbappe. Here's Mbappe. Well, can Portugal take advantage of this set piece? Marcelo. Pedri. Portugal losing possession here. Gerrard. Alex Baena. Baena. Good work from Portugal to win back possession. And he might be through here. And nearly extending the lead.
Well, it wasn't quite the finish he was looking for. He just couldn't quite keep it on target. Well, I think the fans are doing everything they can to get their team back into this. But can they find that moment of inspiration and get an equaliser?
Fine work from Portugal to win back possession. Back now to the goalkeeper. Oh, big chance! Well, the attack peters out, and that means it's goalkeeper's ball. Gerrard. And we will have just one additional minute. And the referee makes it official. Well, this hasn't gone Portugal's way. Not at all what they had in mind. Sum it up for us.
It was a poor result,